Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about how to pair Wi-Fi network in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to pair guys your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you pair? In this video friends, I am going to show you how to pair Wi-Fi network. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting to pair your Wi-Fi network. So once you get your Wi-Fi setting, can tap here and guys you want to enable your Wi-Fi and guys you want to disable your Wi-Fi setting guys you can enable and disable from here. So when we will enable and guys after enable guys refresh your Wi-Fi setting and guys you want to add any network. So friends you can add any Wi-Fi network from here guys. So I have guys this 5G network. I want to pair this network in my Realme phone. So I will enter my 5G network password and guys I will tap here to pair. Then it will pair in my phone and guys I can use while operating YouTube app, Instagram app like that guys I can use it. I don't have guys mobile data so I can pair Wi-Fi network and guys I can use settings. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Wi-Fi network in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.